how does your future self behave? What kind of a job does it have? How does it respond to its partners? How does it behave with friends and family? And that future self starts becoming closer and closer because the timeline now starts to merge. It is the moment where you take your eyes from the back and you face them forward. It is like the archer that constantly looking forward with his bow and arrow and does not let go of the target. And the focus is so strong that the two eyes become one. And when the two become one, you become undeviated. And this is the moment where your future self merges into the present moment. So August is giving us that opportunity to jump the timeline. So next time when your mind goes into the past story, stop yourself. This is where you get to control your thoughts and your beliefs. It's not what you tell others, it's what you tell yourself, internal process. Because your auric field has a beacon of light that connects to your higher self, to your source, to your monadic light, where timelessness exists. But you are the one who's the director of energy. So if your mind keeps going into the past, which doesn't exist anymore, and reinforces it, then the monadic light goes towards that direction and it starts to feed that past. And that past starts to become bigger and bigger, and the future becomes dimmer and dimmer. That is your free will. So this month gives you an opportunity to choose to go inwards because there's no unification in the outer world right now. It's all breaking apart. It's breaking apart so you can unite yourself inwards. And it's going to continue till 2027, maybe even further. But right now, it is how do you unite all these aspects within yourself? How can you become the being that has been yearning inside of you? The energy of love, that peace, that gentleness, the crystalline light that flows through your mind when you find your stillness or your happy, joyful moment. Because there is no right or wrong way. So those questions are coming up is to guide us back to the vertical alignment through our heart space, unification with our inner child and our monadic light.